Hi friends, this is Miss Muller. We are doing Purple Sort 3. Our prefixes this week are re, in, x, and d. And this week I wrote the definitions of the prefixes underneath so you can reference them throughout the sort. Remember, at any time you can pause me if I'm going too fast and then just play me again when you're ready, okay? So let's go over our prefixes. Re means again or back. In means into or inside. X means out of or beyond. And D means take away. Okay? Let's look at, I want you to stop there and I want you to go ahead and pause me and I want you to underline all of your prefixes. Every word you see re, in, x, and d. Pause that, pause me, underline, and then when you're done, go ahead and play me again. Okay, so now that you're done underlining your prefixes, let's start with the first column, re, again or back. Look for the helper word, the word replay. Replay. So we have our base word, that's just play, and re would just mean to play again. Let's look at the next word, that's reappear. Reappear. We know what appear means, right? Appear means to be seen, and this would just mean to be seen again or come back again. Reappear, to come back in your view. Look for the word reclaim. Reclaim. This one means, we know that claim kind of means to request, and to reclaim would mean request again. The next word I want you to find is reconsider. Reconsider something. If you're considering something, you're thinking about doing something, and to reconsider would mean to consider again, or to go back and consider. The next word I want you to find is rerun. I bet you've seen a lot of shows on TV, and you've seen them maybe once and twice and 3 times and 4 times. Those are called reruns. They play a first episode and then they go back and they rerun it. They play it again. Now look for the word research. Research. It just means simply to search again, or to go back and search. Research. Now find the last word that fits in this column. This word is reaction. Go ahead and find that word, reaction. It just means to act again, or to go back and act. You see how these all mean the same thing, again or back? And you just follow that base word. The next column is in, which means into or inside. Look for that helper word, inflate. Find that word. Let's put it up here. Inflate. Inflate, it means to expand. Like if you're blowing up a balloon, the air you put into the balloon makes it expand. The next word I want you to find is interior. 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 This word means inside of anything. So maybe the interior of your classroom would be the inside, or the interior of your backpack would be the inside of your backpack. Now look for the word inhabit. Inhabit. Have you ever heard this word before? Inhabit. It just means to live in. Like your house, you live in your house. Inhabit. The next word I want you to find is inmate. Inmate. And this just means to live with another person as an inmate. Oftentimes, if someone is in jail and they live with someone or they sleep in the same room, that might be their inmate, someone they live with. The next word I want you to find is install. Install. This word just means to put in. If you install your Xbox, you are putting in your Xbox. And the next word I want you to find in this column is inhale. Inhale. This just means to breathe in. Inhale. Now go ahead and find the next column, which is X, which this means out of or beyond. Find that dark helper word, exhale. So if inhale means to breathe in, exhale must mean to, you got it, breathe out. Then look for this word. This is kind of a different word, exile. I don't know if you've ever heard this word, exile. This word means someone that's separated from their home, exile. They are out of their home, exile. The next word is explore. Look for the word explore. Explore. This word means to search out or to search for, to explore. The next word we're going to look at is excess. Excess. If you put a lot of glue on a project, you might have some excess glue left over. It is really what is beyond needed. You don't need that. It was too much. So you have beyond the amount you needed. You have some leftovers, some excess. Now look for the word exhaust. Exhaust. Exhaust means to wear out or draw out. Sometimes you could be tired to exhaust you, might mean to wear you out. And the last one in this column I want you to find is exterior. If interior, remember in this column, meant inside of everything, what do you think exterior means? It means outer, being on the outside of something. So the exterior of your backpack, the outside of your backpack may be dirty, but the interior of your backpack may be clean. The last column in our sort today is D, and that means take away. So our helper word is deflate. I'm sure maybe you've heard this word maybe when you're blowing up a balloon and then it deflates. So if inflate meant to blow the balloon up, you put the air in. Deflate would mean to take that away and make it flat, to release. Now find the word defrost. Defrost. Sometimes in the winter you might have frost on your car, a thin layer of ice, and you might have to defrost your car. That simply just means to remove the frost, to take away the frost. The next word I want you to find is the word deprive. Deprive. This word means to take something away from someone, sometimes for a purpose. So if your mom deprives you of cookies, she's not letting you have the cookies. She's keeping them away from you. Deprive, to take something away from someone. The next word I want you to find is decrease. Decrease. This word means to take away or to make less. You decrease the amount of minutes that you read. You're taking away minutes. And the last word I want you to find in this column is delete. Delete. This means to remove or to erase or to take away. If you're writing something on the iPad and you delete it, you take it away. You take away the words. So let's review our prefixes, friends. We have re, which means again or back. We have into or inside. We have ex, which is out of or beyond. And we have d, which means take away. Nice job today, friends.